The washing machine, along with the refrigerator and stove, is one of the most important appliances in a household. It goes without saying that having a reliable one is pretty important. In this video, you'll learn about how we measure reliability, the most reliable front-load washer brands and models, some common problems for front loads, and if you should buy an extended warranty. We try to curate our appliance selection to offer the most reliable models and brands, especially when it comes to laundry. After all, we just don't sell them, but we're also responsible for repair and service after the sale. We calculate reliability by measuring the percentage of appliances needing repair to the amount of appliances we sell. Last year, we logged 37,061 service calls. Here's our reliability percentages based on every brand with at least 300 units sold. Whirlpool's been in the top 3 brands for 5 years. We've been measuring reliability. However, a good percentage of Whirlpool sales are builder related, which requires less service compared to other brands. Samsung is the top selling appliance brand in the US. Now, we always have comments of people who don't like Samsung. In fact, they hate it. The product is reliable, but their real issue is service availability. It can be non-existent in certain areas, so make sure you know who you'll be fixing your appliances before they break. LG's always been reliable. They typically have the most technology and are the shallowest and easiest to fit in stacked or in tighter spaces. They're now offering larger 5 cubic foot machines with auto dispensers. The dispensers on the top, like Maytag, which may cause service issues unlike the ones located in the bottom like GE, Whirlpool, and Miele. It'll be interesting to monitor their reliability numbers next year. GE's front-load washers feature microban antimicrobial coatings on their door gaskets, dispensers, and hoses to prevent mold and mildew buildup, as well as a fan to drive residual moisture. Combined with their 32-ounce automatic detergent, it's a recipe for a reliable machine. An auto dispense will dispense the right amount of detergent at the right time. Most people use too much, and that extra foam ends up in the machine for an expensive service call down the road. Now, 17% isn't exactly reliable. The number suggests it's because of the location of the automatic dispenser. Their sister company, Whirlpool, is built similarly, but has a bottom-mounted dispenser and is significantly more reliable. When making a purchase for any appliance, you'll probably be pitched and pushed to an extended warranty at some point. Never buy an extended warranty from a company that doesn't have its own repair service. Warranty repairs pay much less to independent repair companies, so you'll be placed on a really low priority. Front-load washers are generally reliable but are expensive to fix. First, make sure extended warranty is back with service, and then you can decide whether it's worth it. For once, it's not all bad news. Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, and GE are all below the industry average of 9.7% for an appliance, so you can be comfortable with any of these brands. In terms of features, LG is the shallowest and easiest to stack. Samsung's second easiest to stack, although you have to check in your area whether it can be serviced. Whirlpool is the most reliable, while GE has the best features. But for reliability, you can buy any of them.